I sold my first UK account that I grew to over 35,000 followers in less than 3 months with a random video I picked from this app. Guess how much I sold it? I'll be telling you at the end of this video. But first of all, I want to show you a simple way I was able to create that account for free without VPN using Facebook. If you're interested, like this video, give me a follow, and let's dive in. So let me now walk you through the few simple steps. Step number 1, click on the app to open. Step number 2, click on your profile icon, bottom right. Now, if you've not updated your TikTok app, you might not see the interface appear like this, okay? Because before now, the where you click will be up here, up the profile picture, okay? But they had to switch, okay? Now you have to click where you have the name, right? So if you've not updated your own, go do that and try to update your app from time to time, especially your TikTok app. I think TikTok update or upgrades more than once in a month, okay? If you don't, you might be facing some issues in some areas in your app. And I do advise my students, anytime you are using an app and it starts having issue, it's likely that there is a new update. If internet is not the problem, then go check if there's a new update. Go to your app store and see if there's a new update and update the app, and everything will be moving smoothly. Now we click here. It's step number 2 or number 3. Step number 1 is to open the app, okay, and log in. Step number 2, click on your profile icon, bottom right, okay. And step number 3, click on your profile name. Now, if you don't have any account yet, that means you will not have a profile name to click. So once you open, you will see maybe sign up or something, okay. Now step number 4, now these are some of my accounts. Some are UK account and some are not, okay. So the next step now is to locate where you see add account. Click on it. Now it is important what happens at this point in time. You might come here and what you see will not be sign up for TikTok. Remember, we want to create an account, and that means to sign up, right? So you might come here and you wouldn't see sign up for TikTok, okay. So you might see something like log into TikTok, okay. So be sure that first of all you have this up here. Let me click on sign up. If you click down here, the sign up button down here, can you see it must be set on sign up for TikTok, okay. Now you have about 3 options they are showing you here, right? You have continue with email, you have continue with Facebook, you have continue with Google. I told you I was to do this with Facebook, okay. So we're going to go ahead with Facebook, but before that, the next thing you would do is to come here where you see Nigeria, right? If you're in another country, just check there, okay, click on it. So I've had people say, oh, I typed UK, I didn't see it, I only saw Ukraine. Yeah, you don't need to type UK, you type United, right? Can you see United Kingdom? It has come out. If you want US, you can go for US, but let's go for United Kingdom. Now, if you check again, here has changed to United Kingdom. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on Facebook, but make sure you've logged into your Facebook account using your Facebook app. So I click on continue with Facebook. So our account is being created. All right, so it says here TikTok is requesting to access name and profile picture, email address, age range, friends list. Okay, so what do we do? Let's say continue. All right, so a request for date of birth, okay. So you put your date of birth. All right, and then continue. Nickname, let's just do Onyi. Let's just do Onyi and continue. All right. So by now our account has been created. So let's get to our profile to see the account we just created. Yeah, that's the account. The account has been created, okay. So this is the UK account we said to create. Now we need to check if truly this is a UK account, right? So what do? Let's get to the menu and then get to TikTok Studio. And so here we can check monetization. Okay, you can see Service Plus, subscription, then you can see TikTok Shop for Seller. Now this is mainly available in international accounts. Okay, then you can see Creator Rewards Program, which is also only available at the moment in international accounts. Okay, then you can see Creator Marketplace and the rest. Okay, if we leave this place and go to our menu up here and then go to settings and privacy, and then we'll go to accounts and then check on account information. You can now see the region, account region. Can you see United Kingdom? Okay, so this is how to create international accounts for free without VPN, okay, using your Facebook. All right, so the next thing I'll tell you is how to manage this. I'll normally advise people after creating this account to quietly log out. So let's go to settings and privacy and scroll down to this part where it says log out. Okay, we log out. Okay, just log out. All right, now we'll return in about 4 days time to continue building this account, right? In about 4 days time. There's one more thing I would have loved you to do. Let me see if I can log back in. Yeah, it's important you do that. So the account is the first one up there, right? So click on it. All right, so let's go to our profile, then to the menu. Then let's go to settings and privacy again. And this time we go to account. Yes, still go to account. Now when you come here, click on password and you see the option add phone, but skip that add phone, go to add email instead. Okay, click on it. Now this is required, okay, because if you don't do this, you will not be able to create a password. It's not so much of a problem, right? Because you can still sign in or log in anytime with your Facebook account, the particular Facebook account you use in signing up, right? But we want to create another option for logging in. That's why we are doing this, okay? So you can now put an email here, and then remember, nothing to do with your phone. So if I put an email, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to use any email I have here now for this. So once you put an email, you say continue. Then when you continue, you see where to now add password, okay? You put in password you can use and then save that password, so that subsequently you can use the password option to log in, your username and password, or your email and password to log in, okay? So having done that, you can return to this place, okay? And then scroll down to logout. This after the account has been created. Scroll down to logout. There's one more thing I will show you after I explain what I'm trying to explain now. So you click on logout. So we've logged out, right? Now we'll return to this account in about 4 days time. You know, we created it as an international account, right? And let me remove this. We want to just sign out and then return in 4 days time, because within that space of time the possibility is there that somebody who was in UK 4 days ago could have relocated. So if that happens, then there won't be a problem, right? So that's one reason we do that. Now what I'm about to show you next, you might not have seen it in any video, but it's important. All right, now after 4 days you want to sign into that account, right? Even though you are in Nigeria at the moment, right, and you want to sign in, see how you can log in. Okay, get to where you log in, like add account. And so let's suppose we are here now and we want to log in, right? Let's suppose these accounts are not showing here. We want to log in. We click on add another account. Let's click on add another account. And so we want to log in, right? Remember that when we wanted to sign up for this account, international account, we came down here, right, and changed our country from Nigeria to United Kingdom, right? So if you want to log in again to that account, it's also important that you do same. So we'll come here, I will click on that Nigeria, and then we head over to where our account is located. We click on it. Now it has changed to United Kingdom. Okay, under login to TikTok. Now you can go ahead to log in either with your Facebook account or the email, because now you've created a password. You can now use your email and the password you created, okay, or your username and the password you've created to log in. So you can log in with either your email and password or your Facebook account. So you have two login options. So you can create an international account for free without VPN, grow the account, and then transfer it and then get some money out of it. Okay, so you can turn that into a business if you wish to, right? That's also why I share this video with you. I hope this was super helpful. If it is and you've not given me a follow and a like, then you are not doing the right thing. So go ahead and like this video and give me a follow. Now, for how much I sold that account, when converted to Naira, the amount was 360,800 Naira. That was the amount. It was not so much anyway, because I realized I could have sold it for higher amount than that much later, okay? Because I still till today have people who come to me asking if the account is still available. And that also means that if you have one you want to sell, a genuine account you want to sell, do let me know and I'll see what I can do. But we'll agree on a percentage. Yeah, we'll have to agree on a percentage. And let me also advise you, there is a way to go about selling that account, okay? Otherwise, you might lose that account to the person you thought want to buy it. I almost did that to that account, but God helped me, okay? So there is a process that I can share with you that will help you to be able to sell that account without issues, and you have your money before you release that account, right? So if you have any such account, or you know anybody who has such an account and want to exchange it for cash, do let me know. Don't forget to follow, like, and share for more people to see this video. See you in the next upload.